Glass fire is a mobile object with fire that is used to create a pleasant atmosphere. It uses an ecological fuel, and thanks to this we can enjoy fire without smoke or smell. Glass fires bring back the fire element into your life. You can enjoy the ambience of fire without difficulties. It is very easy to set up a glass fire. To each model, we attach an easy and detailed instruction of assembly and usage. You can enjoy real fire after 10 minutes of receiving the product. First, unpack the box. Once all the elements are at your disposal, start with placing the steel plate on the base. Be sure to place the base on a flat surface. Put the steel plate on the base with the spikes down. After the steel plate, the next element is the glass cylinder. Place it gently on the steel plate. Now, you can decorate your glass fire. There is one bag with sand and two with onyx stones. You can decorate the glass fire according to your own idea. Put only the sand or only the stones in. Put both in or leave it without decoration. It's up to you. The final thing is the cup, which you place in the opening left in the steel plate. To light the glass fire, you use the metal tool to take out the cup from the glass fire. Holding the cup with the tool outside the cylinder, you fill up the cup, leaving 1 centimeter to the edge empty. Do not fill up the cup completely. Be careful with the fuel container and make sure you close the bottle with Fanola. Next, we place the cup back in the opening of the steel plate inside the cylinder. When you unhook the metal tool, its ending sinks in Fanola. Lift the tool a bit, paying attention that any drop of fuel falls back into the cup. When the drops stop falling, use the lighter provided in the set and light the wet ending of the tool. Then move it near the cup with Fanola. This will start the fire. Now you can enjoy the flames. If you need to extinguish the fire, use the metal tool again. Place the tip with disc on the cup and wait a while. This will extinguish the fire. And that's it. Use your imagination and enjoy the flames with glass fire.